In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a GoPro chest mount. All you need is some elastic, a ice cream container, my one's already cut into the shape you need, and a flat GoPro sticky adhesive mount. The first thing you need to do is get your elastic. Okay, so once you've measured it, get your scissors and cut the length out. Now, obviously, this is extremely stretchy, so you want to have stretched it and like tightened it around your waist so that your GoPro is not going to be moving around. I mean, like, look at that. That goes for miles. Cut a hole here and here. I've got both of them cut out. Put 2 more holes here and here. Okay, so now that we've got it cut out like so, we're going to get the elastic again and measure the bit from here over your shoulder. Only tie one bit to your mount and the other bit you tie when you're ready to go. Okay, for these 2 mounts, you tie them both. Okay, so done. So you tie the last bit and attach it there, put the other bits over your shoulders, and you're ready to go. There you have your GoPro chesty. Now all you gotta do is stick your adhesive mount on there and you're ready to go. And that's how you make your GoPro chest mount. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this and the test of it.